What do you think? He's not making a face. Babies do make faces when they don't like it. I just read a paper for Avid on that.
They do make a face when they don't like it?